So, if you come across any patent document, which different parts you will see in a patent document. Now, these parts are like a very sequential way patent is drafted, and you take any patent, that particular format is followed. So, you will see title, then there will be a field of invention, then there will be a background, or you can call it as a prior art. Then in the background, in the last, there will be a problem to be solved, that will be explained. Then there will be object of invention. Then next is like a maybe a summary of invention, or they will give you the general statement of invention. After giving this much information, there will be a detailed description of the invention, and the detailed description will cover that drawings, then any best method if it is there, that will be covered. Then if it suitable examples of working of that invention are there, that will be covered. And